black and white. He's stealing your thunder. Baby, blue ain't your color at all. So I'll say a little prayer for you. Lord knows I care for you, but from afar. And I pray that one day you'll realize just what kind of Jew that you are. And that love is patient and love is kind. And love has so many different colors combined. And sometimes God will use the blues to refine. But baby girl, this year